So ngayon, papunta na ako ng bus terminal to nakalimutan ko naman, basta nasa ano ko na terminal na bus na papunta na ng India. So Malaysia to India yon. Kasi if I go to Malaysia to India, the ticket cost me 1,500 Malaysian ringgit. Yun ang kanilang ano. So hindi ko mabubuho yun. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng 1,000 ringgit sa loob ng isang taon kung normal lang na pang low maintenance ang trabaho mo dito sa Malaysia. So ayun, so kailangan ko maghanap ng bus. Kung meron bang bus, meron na ako nakausap. So tour bus, i-insert ka doon and then you pay some of those money, yung pwede ka nang dalhin to India. So it's okay. Pagdating ng India, 1 hour to 30 minutes from the border ng India to Saudi Arabia. Pagdating mong border, kung wala kang sasakyan, ihahatid ka ng pulis sa may main city. Kung gagawin nila yun, oo, pag wala kang kaso. Pero kung may kaso ka, i-stop ka nila doon mismo sa police station. So dahil wala ako, cleared ako at wala akong kaso, hindi ako pwedeng makitulog. Baka kunin yung identification ko and also those documents that I have holding right now. So sorry, hindi pwede yon, paubos ng pera ko, pero yung evidence ko hindi pwedeng maubos at yung pasensya ko sa mga tao. So ayun, bakit ko sinabi sa kanila na hindi tinatanggap sa Saudi Arabia or Arabian or Caribbean region or Caribbean country ang China money or Asian, not allowed to exchange or change or use any Korean or China or Taiwanese or Vietnamese or Hong Kong or Singaporean money to exchange to those Arabian Middle East country. I don't know how's the happening, why it happened. So yon, kaya nagtanong ako, but the Malaysian money acceptance in rupees in India. So yun lang, not allowed only China. I don't know how they why you block always China, but all the product is came from the made in China, and China not complain about it. And why you do that? Why you unfair, and why you not using justice to declare yourself and using other people's mind to have your own in your throne? So yeah, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always everyone. Mabuhay Pilipina Jassy from Philippines, Metro Manila. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Marami kayong matutunan sa aking YouTube channel. So ayun lang.